Hello, and welcome to this week's guided meditation as we sink into a deep state of surrender together. Let's begin by setting the intention to be present and open to here and now, and the deep and unconditional love always present. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth, allowing yourself to sink into deep relaxation with each and every breath. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Every breath you take, allowing any thoughts that might arise to simply drift away in their own time and space. Breathing in and out. With each breath sinking deeper and deeper in to surrender, into the present moment. Continuing to breathe in a natural rhythm, allowing your eyes to close and your body to relax. Envision with your mind's eye walking up a beautiful rock in the middle of the forest, the sound of rushing water pervading your ears. Breathing in as you sink into this natural forest landscape, feeling the grounding energies of the earth as a deep red wave of energy swirls around you, anchoring you into the Earth Mother as you become one with the earth, finding safety, structure, and stability here in her loving arms as your entire body grounds into this moment, here and now. Continuing to breathe in this luscious landscape as a vibrant orange energy now pours down over you, filling you with the most amazing, sustaining, life force energy you've ever experienced. Your body deepens into relaxation as this orange energy fills you, overflowing with passion, creative energy surging through your veins as you surrender. A bright yellow energy now dances through your system, igniting your power center. Your drive for life expands and increases as your will ignites, knowing everything you desire can be alchemized and created through and for you. Breathing in this powerful yellow energy as a green begins to trickle down through your blood and bones, through your soul. This beautiful green energy brings you to the frequency of love, a deep remembrance for the energy of love you've always been and always will be. Expanding and opening into this vibrant green energy, becoming one with each and everything around you. Feeling the love open and expand within your system, bridging the gap between human and divine. As a bright blue energy now moves through your system, opening and expanding your throat space, your soul essence now set free, able to express your own authentic truth without any fear of repercussion, simply unapologetic for who you are and have always been. Feeling the vibration of sound moving through your throat as your message is ready to be heard. A deep indigo now moves down through you, activating and opening your third eye, allowing each and every sense, both physical and ethereal, to become active and aligned with the frequency of love and authenticity. All the puzzle pieces of your life coming together to create a clear masterpiece. Your role makes perfect sense now as you see with an all-knowing eye. And as you breathe into this expanded state, a beautiful violet pours down through your crown, activating the remembrance of the divine being you are and have always been. As you feel the innate worthiness arise within you, owning your God-Goddess form, sinking deep into embodiment in this sacred vessel, remembering and honoring your own divinity. As the colors fade away, now fully aligned, finding yourself back on the beautiful rock, in the vibrant forest with the sound of rushing water, you continue to make your way up, climbing with ease to the top of this rock formation. Beautiful green trees on either side of you. And as the top of this rock becomes visible, a beautiful golden being stands at the top, awaiting you. Helping you up the last step, this being looks deep into your eyes, and with a deep soul recognition, you now see this is your highest, truest self in the form of life force energy, your oversoul here to speak to you, to share a message about unconditional love and surrender, asking you to take a leap of faith with them here and now today. As your oversoul embraces you, they share with you a powerful message about surrender and unconditional love. Take the time to listen to their words here and now. as this beautiful message comes to an end, you are filled with such joy and delight, having received this message fully, knowing that you are safe to take the leap of faith, to walk in the direction of your dreams boldly, knowing they have already come true. Releasing control of anything that might burden you and sinking into the safety of the here and now. Your oversoul walks you to the ledge of the rock formation, and as you look down, you are overjoyed to see a powerful, raging waterfall, a multitude of colors cascading over the rocks and into a vibrant pool of energy and light below. You notice sweet fairies flying around the top of this waterfall, breathing life into this image. Your oversoul turns around, back facing the pond below, and simply falls until you hear a splash and look down, seeing them dancing freely in the electric, healing waters below. They beckon you to join them. And although you might feel a little fear, you know you are safe to surrender now. Turning around, allowing your back to face the beautiful drop below, and simply falling in trust and faith, knowing you will be caught along the way. As you fall in what seems to be slow motion, you hear the angels sing words of affirmations into your psyche, repeating as you desire. I surrender to the flow of life, trusting that everything unfolds in divine timing. I release control and allow the universe to guide me with grace and ease. My heart is open to receiving all that is meant for me. I trust the process of life and let go of the need to force outcomes. I am fully supported by the divine in every moment. And as these messages ring through your mind, you feel a soft, pillowy surface beneath you, and you realize you have landed in the electric healing energy. Your oversoul swimming gallantly around you, both of you dancing in delight in these purifying waters, feeling an openness and love present within you now. You simply float here now, letting go of any burdens, fears, and doubts, and calling in all of the desires of your heart. As you surrender to these waters, feeling the light within you, simply allow yourself to be at ease, listening gently to the following affirmations. Surrender brings me closer to my highest self. I let go of fear and embrace the power of trust. I flow like water, effortlessly navigating life's currents. Surrendering creates space for miracles to unfold in my life. I release resistance and align with the energy of abundance and peace. I trust in the wisdom of my soul to lead me towards my true purpose. I allow myself to be held in the loving embrace of the universe. I surrender to the divine plan, knowing that I am always on the right path. Letting go brings freedom, and I welcome that freedom with open arms. I release attachments to outcomes and find peace in the present moment. Surrendering is my way of honoring the sacred flow of life. I trust that what is meant for me will never miss me. I give myself permission to rest and let go, knowing all is well. I surrender my fears and embrace the love and light that surrounds me. In surrender, I find my strength and my truth. I release the need to control and welcome the magic of divine order. I trust that the universe has my back, always working in my favor. I am blessed. I am held. I am supported. I am loved. And as these beautiful words penetrate your heart, allow yourself to sink deep into this beautiful state of surrender. Locking hands with your oversoul as you come together in these vibrant waters, merging auric fields as you become one with all that you are, knowing you are safe in your surrender. And as you do, you are plunged deeper into the waters where you return to your present moment reality, rooting into your physical vessel, feeling the surface beneath you, deeply grounded, aligned, at ease, as you embody surrender and release control. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth, taking all the time you need to simply be. Namaste.